18 months lost, a $100 million product recall. The data to prevent both already existed. It just never reached the people who needed it. This isn't fiction. This is one of Pharma's biggest and most expensive blind spots. It's the gap between your data, your quality systems, and your manufacturing floor. This is what most pharma operations still look like today. Quality teams track deviations in one system, manufacturing logs process data in another. Regulatory teams build submissions from reports that are outdated by the time they're finished. 2025 survey found that 90% of biopharma executives are investing in smart manufacturing. But buying more technology is not the same as connecting it. Most companies don't have a data problem, they have an integration problem. Data already exists. It just isn't talking to itself. And every day that gap stays open, it costs companies money, time, and trust. The future of pharma isn't about adding more tech. It's about making the tech that you already have work together. When batch records, IoT sensor data, and lab results are connected to your quality systems, deviations are detected in real time, not during a post-mortem. When quality management is connected to manufacturing execution, right first-time rates improve and batch failures reduce. When manufacturing feeds directly into your data layer, regulatory submissions are built from live traceable data, not manually compiled reports that no one really trusts. That is the new operating model. Connected, real-time, and audit-ready by default. At Coreco Technologies, this is exactly what we do. We've delivered 150 plus digital transformation projects for global clients across the healthcare, pharma, and manufacturing industries. And in every engagement, one principle stays the same. Connect the data, connect the business. Our enterprise pharma pricing platform connects global pricing data with market-specific regulatory requirements in real time, eliminating the manual handoffs between commercial and compliance teams. Our AI-powered safety data sheet platform captures every update, every version, and every access as it happens. With over 95% extraction accuracy, processes that once took hours are completed in seconds. Our AI-enabled medical document management platform generates enterprise-grade clinical documents from live data, quality controls, and audit trails built into every output. And for a global EPC enterprise, we unified procurement, quality, and project management across every stakeholder, eliminating the disconnected workflows which lead to delays, rework, and unnecessary costs. And solutions, one philosophy. If your quality, manufacturing, and data systems still operate in silos, you're not just creating inefficiency, you're creating risk. You don't need another tool. You need everything working as one. Because in pharma, the true cost of disconnection isn't measured in dollars alone. It's measured in patient safety. For more details, reach out to info@corecotechnologies.com.